Hi guys, Andy here. Let's do a quick update on the S&P 500. Today we are Wednesday, December 6th. Time is around 11 a.m. GMT. So I just uploaded a video on the Nasdaq and the Dow Jones saying that actually not much has changed compared to my previous analysis, my previous videos, and so this is actually the same for the S&P 500. So if you want to have more details, you can have a look there. But for now, what I'm seeing is like in the 4 hour, it looks like this is an ending structure. We are having here an ending impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now working on the on the fifth wave, I would say. And the reason I believe this is ending, first of all, we are seeing 5 waves. This is typically, or this is what we should see in an impulse. And also we have clearly divergence here in the 4 hour. This is typically a reversal pattern. So with the data we currently have, I would say this structure is ending. In the lower time frame, the interpretation is uh, quite hard, I would say. As you can see, for some time we are just hanging here now in this area, not really doing much. We have a good push up, but then we come down again, good push up, and then down again. So we might be figuring out what, or the market is figuring out what to do. On Friday, we have some economic data, so that might be a trigger for some kind of move. But for now, I would label this as, if this here is our wave 3, then I would say this is the wave 4 low. And to make it fit in my 5 waves up, as I just showed in the higher time frame, we could think about this here as an ending diagonal as a fifth wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we still need this fifth wave, wave 5 of 5, to end the structure. That would be my interpretation for now. But of course, this is really what we are doing here is kind of micro counting on the 15-minute chart. Might be less reliable. The higher time frame, or I mean the 4 hour, is showing us a structure that can be complete. So I can really not exclude a scenario where the high is in right here. So that's also a possibility. But my best estimate from this low, we might do here an ending diagonal. This is of course under the assumption that the data we are seeing here, the divergence we are seeing here in the 4 hour, remains. Of course, if we get some good push up, taking out the divergence, or getting close to take out the divergence, then we have to consider some kind of scenario that this here, what we are seeing now, was again some kind of shallow pullback. This structure has been characterized so far by very shallow pullbacks, and if this is the case, this could actually be quite bullish, and then it could mean that this impulse is just continuing, extending. That's always a possibility with impulsive structures. But so far, with the data we're having now here in the 4 hour or 5 swings, the divergence we're seeing, the first indication of this kind of data, or the first interpretation of this kind of data for me, is an ending impulse. Okay, that's my analysis so far. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you one of the next days for another update on the S&P 500. Have a nice day. Bye bye.